This video is brought to you by Straight Goods News, Canada's alternative online news source. Visit straightgoods.ca.
Is it true you were excluded from the lockup?
That's correct. We were not invited from the lockup. We've been there previous years, but this year we were uninvited or not invited, and the reason given was because we were a member of the CLC. We joined just this year, but there were other members of the CLC in the lockup. And when somebody came out of the lockup and told me there was a lot of empty chairs in there today, so I'm kind of scratching my head, about that.
You are aware that they allowed Dimitri Soudis in.
Who's that?
Oh, Dimitri Soudis is, this will edit, but Dimitri Soudis is a former guy who used to speak for Harper, and now he's the head of the Olympics Committee.
Oh.
Anyway.
Well, they invite who they want to invite,
yeah.
right? And they don't invite who they don't want to invite.
Yeah.
I guess
It's supposed to be a stakeholders lockup.
I agree. We should have been there. And, so number one, it's hard for us to comment immediately on the substance of the budget. But you know what? We're going to do our analysis in the coming days, and we'll be able to talk. What we know right now is 19,200 federal public servants at least, plus we're talking about how many jobs are associated in the private sector with that. Use one for one. Then we're talking 40,000 jobs. Is this a prosperity budget if you're just going to start with 40,000 jobs losses? I mean, I'm not getting it. Prosperity is, we're going to cut 40,000 jobs right away. I don't get it. So.
I know you haven't had a chance to digest the material because they kept you out of the lockup, but do you have any sort of general impressions other than what you've just said, Gary?
Well, I have many impressions. One on labor, for example. I mean, they've legislated the severance, all stuff. We were in bargaining with them, and it was going along hunky dory. It's going along fine. We're finding collective agreements, but then this government, with its willingness to push through labor, has just legislated that all right now. Okay, well, that says something about the willingness to work with the bargaining agent. The other thing I'll say is about the numbers that. In the text of the budget, you need to go to the appendices, and you need to go drill down where you see the cuts that are going to occur to the Canada Revenue Agency, to Agriculture and Agri-Food Canada. When you look at those are a little more, they show themselves a little more that where the actual meat of this cut is going to be, and that is directly related to services to Canadians.